Have you ever shown up late to work and your boss gives you that look? Before you can even say good morning, they hit you with a "you're late again"? Don't panic, don't cry. In this video, I'll show you how to survive that moment like a pro, with polite, smart English sentences that actually work. Let's go!
English by Miko.
Elizabeth, it's 9:30. Do you know what time we start?
Yes, sir. I know we start at 9. I'm really sorry. I didn't mean to be late.
Intentions don't matter, Elizabeth. Results do. You were late Monday, and again today. What's going on?
It was traffic again. There was an accident. Everything stopped.
Oh, of course. It's always traffic. Never your fault, right?
No, sir. I take full responsibility. I'm not blaming traffic. I should have left earlier.
Yes, you should have. That's what professionals do. They plan for problems. They show up. On time.
You're right. I was overconfident. I thought leaving at 8 would be enough. Clearly, I was wrong.
What do you think happens when you walk in late? Meetings get delayed, clients wait, your teammates cover for you. It's not just about you.
I understand. I really do. I never want to create problems for the team. I'm part of this, and I care about my work.
Words, Elizabeth. Easy to say. What will you actually do to fix it?
From tomorrow, I'll leave at 7:15. Much earlier than before. I've set 3 alarms. I'll also check the traffic online before I leave the house.
3 alarms, huh? Good. What else?
If something unexpected happens, I'll call or text you. Even if I'll be 5 minutes late, you'll know.
Now that's a bit better. Communication. That's what I like to hear.
Also, I'm looking for apartments closer to the office. I didn't want to say anything until it was serious, but I've already seen 2 places.
You're moving.
Hopefully, yes. My commute is too long and unpredictable. I want to fix that, for me, and for my job.
Well, that's a serious step. I respect that. Shows you're committed.
I really like working here. I don't want a bad habit to ruin that.
Look, I'm hard on you because I see potential. But potential without discipline is useless. You know that, right?
I agree 100%. And I'm working on the discipline part. Thank you for being honest with me.
All right, this was your warning. Let's not have this talk again, okay?
Understood. Next time, I'll be here before you.
That's a challenge. We'll see. Now get to work.
Yes, sir. And thanks again.